Did you know most games are hiding an entire second game underneath the one you think you're playing? And most of us never find it. Here's what happened to me. I fired up a game I'd already beaten twice. Settled in, lit up, got comfortable. And then something weird happened. I actually read the item description. All of it. And then the next one. And the next one. 40 minutes later, I'm sitting there with my jaw loose because the whole story I thought I knew was wrong. The lore I'd been skipping for years was the real game. The dialogue I'd been mashing through had philosophy in it. Actual, heavy, sit-with-it philosophy. Cannabis didn't make me a better gamer. It made me a slower one. And slow was exactly what those developers needed me to be. You've been playing the surface of your favorite games this whole time, Agents. The depth is still down there waiting. Follow Agent X Wolverine on Twitch and let's go find what we missed.